When you find yourself frustrated, instead of lashing out at someone else, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and go to your happy place. Let's practice that right now.
Access denied.
Karen. Sarah.
That'll teach you to team up with alien overlords, you...
Now I realize that even though on the outside, I was hitting myself. On the inside, I was hitting my sidekick with a mallet.
It's okay, bro. I like to hit things too.
Sonic, would you care to share with the group?
I don't know. I guess I could be more mindful of people's feelings and stuff. And maybe I'll go talk to Mike? Tell him I'm sorry? Listen, Mike, I was wrong to say you're just a guy.
And?
And I'll never do it again. And if you want, you're welcome to come with us to the next battle with Eggman.
All right, perhaps our enthusiasm yesterday was a bit premature. As it turns out, some people still have a long way to go in their training. But I'm sure that we'll all learn to be compassionate.
You know what I think is compassionate? I call a guy, or people, people! Like every week! But do I get any props for that? No! Everyone just goes around gasping at me when I'm saving the village from Eggman! I'm retired.